The Parrot by Ana Sheinberg. Ah, this parrot mimics everything it hears, so be mindful of your speech when you are near. The species of bird is the size of a teacup. Small, 350 types of variety in all. A parrot's color belongs on a palette of art. Hearing and repeating speech, a parrot is smart. Using its curved beak, this creature loves to speak. Ah? It lives in Central and South America, warm weather. Parrots, cockatoos, parakeets, birds of a feather. Fruits, insects, flower buds they eat. Never tell a parrot your deepest secrets. They will repeat. The Parrot by Ana Sheinberg.
Linktree/poetry zoo